Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome saying is post problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome application on my computer, and first thing first, we need to go to the Google Chrome setting. You can click on these three dots on the top right, and you're going to go to the settings. Click the settings option, and in the setting, you can go to the privacy and security. Okay, then here you can scroll down until you find the site settings option, and then you can scroll down again, and then you can select additional content settings. Tap on this option, and then you're going to go to the on-device side data. Okay, and here make sure you have this option selected, allow sites to save data on your device. And then you can go to this option, allowed to save data on your device, and you're going to add sites. Okay, here you can add accounts.google.com. Okay, then you're going to add it, right? And then after that, you just need to close your Google Chrome and reopening it. But if this method is still not working on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to delete your cookies and cache. If you want to delete the cache and the cookies, you can go back to the privacy and security, and here you can click on delete browsing data. Okay, then here you just need to click on delete data. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way you can try to fix the Google Chrome saying is post problem. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.